Alright, I'm going to show you now how to reset the oil service light on this 2016 Honda Civic. If you take a look over here, we're going to just press this button twice and let that load up. As you can see, it says maintenance due soon. We're going to now look through the menu by pressing this information button on the steering wheel. The three squares and the information button. And if you take a look, we're going to go to the wrench. The wrench there, we're going to press enter. And then you see oil life 15%. The numbers on the bottom are the service. Essentially, it's just an oil service, tire rotation, and check the tire condition. We're going to now press and hold the enter button until the menu prompt comes up. And then we're going to cycle through. There's 9 items to check. All due items, reset. Press enter again. Reset complete. And now the oil life is back at 100%.